Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it.
Is it just me, or am I the only one that hasn't been pulled over yet by police? Am I the only one? Because all the guys that I've ridden with so far have been pulled over. I don't know, just for having loud pipes apparently. But fortunately I haven't had the opportunity to be pulled yet, which is a good thing. I don't want to get pulled, and I don't intend on getting pulled either. Oh, hit my first twig. Yeah boy! Fucking wicked butt! So yeah, just throw down in the comments down below, let me know. Haven't yet, but to be honest, I've already spoke to my neighbour. They're more likely to pull people like me over now because of the bike that I ride, which I guess sort of makes sense, but you know, taxed, insured, I'm not riding illegally. It's a road bike, it's perfectly legal anyway, but police might not understand that. So I have been warned that a lot of people do get pulled over because a lot of the dirt bike guys, they ruin it for us people on the road, you know, us supermotos. Road legal, but you can get dirt bikes that are road legal as well. All you need is a headlamp on it, indicators, and you know, for it to be, you know, Euro compliant. You don't need anything like super duper fancy. They just check over the bike. It's just like an old, it's like an old bike really. Fuck was that? That looked like a Norton or something. Oh, the clutch is so much lighter now that I've given it a bit more free play, and the bike's sort of in the middle. But yeah, so Strutter, sorry to hear, man, that your bike is fucked and you've got to do a rebuild. But yeah, like I said on Instagram and in the group chat that we're in, I am happy to help. Like, I can be good with my hands. Don't get any funny ideas, you dirty bastard. I know what you're like. Who wants to say that I want to sit on the back of your bike, man? Wants to say that, huh? Huh? I'm just going crazy, guys. I am going crazy. I'm not fucking going crazy. But yeah, offer's there, happy to help. You know, I got a bit of time off now over the next couple of days. So maybe I'll record a video headed up to your way if and when I come up to help you, dude. But other than that, to be fair, yama lama lam, yama lim lam. But yeah, we'll get it sorted. We'll get you sorted out. But it's lucky you lucky I pointed out that fucking Honda, man. From Kevin Thomas. I wouldn't buy anything from him again, to be fair. Fuck that shit. I think it's a spoke rattling. Sounds like a spoke. Sounds like a spoke sliding up and down the rim because it's too short. I might end up redoing the ones on the front just so I got loads on the front, and then I just might put a couple on the back but not fill it out completely, because the back's even harder to do unless you take the hub off the wheel, and to be fair, I can't be fucked for that. It's too much fucking effort. But we'll get you sorted, mate. We'll get you on the road again. On the road again. So at some point, like, because I got quite a tight schedule, at some point I will end up going green laning and trying these mud guards out. They're actually a bit too far in anyway, so the levers are like super duper long. I don't know what it is, but they just are. They're like really fucking long as fuck. I don't even need that much like on them. It's so low though, isn't it? So at some point I might invest in some shorty levers, some nice red ones or blue ones. I don't know yet, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Overall though, she's pretty healthy. Just got to sort the tail bulb out though. That's the only thing I need to get sorted. Other than that, everything else seems pretty sound. Fuck you man, super Kiwi fucking light. Just to give you a little bit of a filler, this bike has 8 kilowatts of power, so I believe that's 11 brake horsepower. I might be wrong there. I know these EFI versions are substantially less powerful than the carburetted versions, and that is proven. They do the comparison on the website, so the difference can be seen there. Scream! If you like this video, click that thumbs up button, click the thumbs down button, whatever your preference, I don't really care. And hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I want to hit 100 subs, so help me get there. I'll reveal my fucking ugly mug then. How's that sound? That sounds like a deal to me. And if I can, I'll get some gloves for you guys. Thanking you for not speeding up. That's so much better. I can match the rev so much easier now because you're not at the end of the fucking cable. So I'll just give you an example right about now. Good doggy. Okay, so I'll give you an example of clutch now. So this is rolling, this is clutch on, so it's about by there, which is good for me. It's not too far and it's not too close either.